Nthabise Munyane from Mutimpos, a single mother of 5, unemployed and has a baby who was unnourished and very hungry. Impact and partners organized to buy the baby food. The mother was shown how to make a nutritional meal for her baby. The baby was then given the food. His cries turned into contentment and he fell fast asleep. The Lord mandated us, "Hear the cry of my people. With your help, we can reach many others." Remember, prevention is better than cure. So, hear the cry of God's people and you will be blessed. Together, we can make a difference. Psalm 41 says, "Blessed is he who considers the poor. The Lord will deliver him in time of trouble." Remember, I am the need of the Lord, and the Lord is my need.